In this video, you're going to see how to do a Stranger Things intro. So what I've done is I've created a Stranger Things template specifically for Camtasia 2020, and I'll give you a link of where you can go to download this. So let's watch and see what this template looks like. How cool is that? So I spent hours on this over the weekend and I had a lot of fun with it. It was a labor of love and I was so excited about it. I thought, oh, I bet other people would enjoy downloading this and being able to use it as well. So what I've done is I've created this template for you. You can go to cammastery.com/stranger and provide your name and email, and I will email you a copy of this template. I'll give you a link. You can click the link and download the template. With that template, there's also a place where you can go to see how I walk through editing the template so you can make sure that it works perfectly for you. And be sure to go to cammastery.com/stranger to download your free template. I'm Ron Hogue. Thanks for watching.